You even demystified investment where you said the money is not just sitting. This is not just savings, chilling, earning zero interest. You quickly move it into something called a call account. What is a call account? And can an individual access a call account?
Okay. So a call account is an account with a commercial bank. Commercial banks have different accounts. You have savings accounts, you have fixed deposit accounts, you have current accounts, and you have call accounts. So a call account is where you open an account with a bank to have money on call, meaning you tell the bank, look, I have 1 million shillings. I don't need the money right now, but I may need to call it soon. So let's say you have, I don't know, a car you're bringing in, or a foundation you're building, or some expense, a big expense coming, and you have a chunk of money, and you don't want that money to sit in the current account. Okay? And you want it to earn some interest. Because the more you have, the more you're able to earn interest. Even overnight, depending on the amount you have, overnight makes a difference, okay? So you don't ever want to have money just sitting. So instead of putting the money...
Rina, stop right there.
Yes.
You've said there are people who are making money overnight.
Banks make a heck of a lot of money.
Every day,
can you imagine all the deposits
10
they
million
have?
shillings became more. It'll grow.
Yeah, but if you have a current account, the bank is charging you to keep your money there, and they're making money from you. I'm sorry. Yeah. And yet you could be making something. So I'm just saying, don't let your money sit, because it shouldn't just sit. And sometimes I get into that mess as well, but I have to remind myself, no, we need to move money to make interest, even if it is for 2 weeks. Okay. So,
and you're talking about Rina as a person now.
Yeah.
Your own personal money.
Yeah, you can't put money in a call account.
Okay.
So you talk to the bank and tell them, I want to put money in a call account. Now, you can't put money in a call account if you have 10,000 shillings.
Ah, damn.
You kind of need to have, I don't know, different banks will probably have different rules.
Yes.
But really, with 1 million, you should be able to put money in a call account that you want to use. And the call account is an account where you park money that you're going to use. And the beauty about it is when you call it, it is instantly available. Are you understanding me?
Yes.
So interest rates on a fixed deposit might be 14% or 16%, whatever the rate is. On the call account, it might be 13. Okay? It might not be like the 16 because you're not putting money for 6 months.
Yes.
And it has to be available when you want it, but you can get higher. Now, for Richie who has 1 million, they'll tell you it is
6%.
No. They'll probably tell you 13.
Okay.
The rates are slightly higher now.
Okay.
For someone who has 50 million, they might give you 15 and a half. For someone who has 100 million,
different.
You'll probably get 17. You understand my point? So the more you have, the more you can negotiate. So when you're in a fund, and that's how funds are able to make money, the fund is going as one account, yes. But they're putting like a B, not 1 million. And so because the bank needs the money to on lend and so on, and to do the different activities that banks typically do, they are willing to give you a higher rate. And so that's how money market funds and special funds, and even fixed income funds, because you have to have a portion of your money in cash and cash equivalents, are able to get higher rates because they have more money. So a call account is an account with a bank, and it's a specific account for people with a little more money who need to use the money soon. They don't quite know when, but they want it available for when they need it. But they can get higher interest, and you're not locking it. It's instantly available. So like today, literally, I remember the last time I put it on call, I went to the bank, I said, I need the money now, and I was able to transfer the money like within the same moment.
I get it.
So, yeah, but there's a special account for that.
I love it. So, and I also like the fact that you demystified the different interest rates depending on the quantity of money that you have.
Yes.
So as an individual, yes, I can go and get, and they'll give me the 13%. But if I throw this in with a fund, that fund together with other people's money are able to throw it in and get a higher interest rate as compared to what I could have
Absolutely.
gotten.
And the rates that we are throwing here are just random.
Yes.
Because you could be watching this video in 2027 and you're wondering 13%. So yeah.
Yes. And also, again, I heard you say that for this, the special fund doesn't have to be locked to your custodian. You don't have to do the call account.
No. So the custodian will give instructions. No, so rather the fund manager, us, will give instructions to the custodian and say, we'd like you to move money to Bank X because Bank X is giving us a better rate, or we don't have to have a reason. We want money to move to this.
Yes.
Yeah, because they're giving us 17 or 18%. You
Yes.
guys are giving us 13. Please
Move
the money.
And it is our job to decide where it is we are.
The custodian is there to follow instructions. Their work is to hold the assets. So think about them like a bank account.
Yes, I get it.
You understand? And even when it is in that bank, they're still the ones who own. Do you understand?
Yes.
They're still the ones who hold the cash.
Yep.
Because it is them depositing there on our behalf.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is. I get it.
Yeah.
It is you who've told them to deposit.
Right.
But you can't directly call those guys. You need to go through them.
Well, we'll call them and negotiate.
Okay.
And then instruct these guys to go ahead. So we trade.
Yes.
We trade in whatever market, in whatever asset class. We close the deal and then instruct the custodian to then deposit.
The
settle.
custodian is the only one who can move the money.
Yes.
That's what I was saying.
Under our instructions.
Under your instructions.
Yes.
So you can't directly go to the people who you have invested with and tell them to move the money. Because you have to go to the custodian and
Yes.
tell the custodian to move it.
Yes.
Okay, I love this. Now that I've gotten this understanding, what is Oak Special Fund?